That's a good crust.
Yeah. I don't know, I missed the bone there. That's why.
Yeah, they're at a. You're cutting at the wrong end.
Sorry.
Turn them upside down.
Go. Now you got me.
It looks like it's the bone. You go head for the bone.
Don't worry.
I know.
How we taste that?
Smoky.
Yeah.
Big smoke. Good heavy smoke.
I recommend additional sauce.
Yeah.
The sauce is very good. 0 feet visibility. A lot of sauce in some wild.
Yeah, you gotta go a little more.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Is your right hand blistered with heat?
Yes. They're hot, boy.
These are the smokiest. Yeah.
Good product.
Very good product.
It's worth the wait.
Sauce is really good.
The whole thing is really good.
It's morally good.
I find there's a big difference between naturally smoked steak and artificially smoked.
No, that's good right there.